In this quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can schedule an automatic shutdown on your iPhone. That's to say, how you can schedule or program your iPhone to off or to shut down within a particular time frame that you want. It's very simple, okay? Now, on your iPhone here, you can see this search here, your iPhone here. Now, you can tap on it and come on this search here and search for this app, Shortcut. You can see here's the app here, Shortcut. So this app is usually pre-installed on every iPhone. Yes, iPhone 12 Pro I'm using. So come here and search for the app and check for the app to see if the app is on your phone. But if you can't find it on your phone, then close here and go on your app stores. Tap on your app stores and come here and search for the same app, Shortcut. You can see here, Shortcut. Tap on it and then install the app. Here's the app. Tap and install the app and then come here and tap on this open. If you open the app, this is how it looks for the first time. And now to schedule or to program your phone to go off at a particular time, you will have to set an automation. So once you open the app, come here on this automation here at the center here and tap on it. And you can see here, new automation. So tap here to create a new automation. So in this new automation here, there are different ways whereby you can create your automation. You can use time of day, alarm, or sleep. Okay, for instance, in this video, I'll use time of day. So I'll come here in this first option here and tap on this time of day. And in this time of day, you can see the time in which you can create your automation. You can use sunrise or sunset. But for this video, I'll use time of day. I'll just leave it on this time of day here. So I'll come here on the time here and tap on this time here and choose the time in which I want my phone to go off. So for instance, I'll just come here and choose let me say 10 p.m. for instance, by 22:00. So you can see here is 22:00. I can also select this time here and leave it on this time here. You can see it, right? Okay. Now you can see here on this repeat here, you can come here and choose how often you want your phone to shut down. You can come here and set weekly or monthly. But for me, I'll leave it on this daily. So on this daily here, it means that every day, once it reaches 10 p.m., my phone will shut down automatically. So I can come on this last one here. I'll come here and tap on this run immediately and select this option here. So once the time reaches 10 p.m., the phone will just shut down immediately without any confirmation from me. So you can see, just select all this check here. The first one here is time of day. Now choose your time. You can see the repeat time, daily, and also run immediately. So after you select all these ones, come here and tap on this next. So on this next here, you can see here this option here, new plan automation. Tap on it. And now they ask you to add action. So come here and tap on this action. And now in this very page here, come here and search for shutdown. Shut down. You can see here shutdown. Tap on it. So if you tap on this shutdown, you can see shut down this device. So come here on this done at the top right and tap on it. So you can see that I've been able to add an automation. So now what this means is that once it reaches 10 p.m. every day, my phone will shut down. You can see it, right? On iPhone, we use a third-party app and we use automation whereby we schedule the time for the phone to go off. So you can see here, right? So you can add as many times as possible. So when it reaches 10 p.m. daily, that's every day, my phone will go off automatically. You can remove it if you wish to.